Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create account on Dragon Ball GEKISHIN Squadra game. So here follow the steps. So first of all, when you are launching the game for the first time, then you will get this type of interface. Click on this play button, then click on start new game, and then you will see create new account. So simply click on create, then select your country and then confirm it. Accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Now read this processing of personal information, summary, analytics. So read all this, and after reading it, you can accept it or you can reject it as per your choice. Now you will see a game data update option. If you see this option, then click on yes. If you don't see, then skip to the next step. Then type your player name and confirm it, and that's how you can create account on Dragon Ball GEKISHIN Squadra. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.